All right, sit down, class. Welcome to Intro to Filmmaking Reality Check 101. I'm your professor, but unlike your film school instructor, I'm not here to babysit your ego or pretend your 3-minute zombie rom-com is groundbreaking. We're actually going to talk about how to actually make films without drowning in depth or waiting for Spielberg to call you. Stop obsessing over gear. We've talked about this before, but nobody cares what camera you use. You think Tarantino waited until he had a red Komodo or a drone before shooting Reservoir Dogs? He grabbed what he had and made something good. If you think your movie's going to magically be good because you dropped $5 grand on a camera, congrats. You've just bought an expensive excuse to still suck. Story is greater than specs always. Make something, anything. You don't learn filmmaking by watching tutorials or scrolling film Twitter or arguing about lenses on Reddit. You learn by making stuff. Bad stuff, embarrassing stuff. The kind of short film you want wiped from the internet in 2 years. Trust me. That's how you grow. Film, fail, learn, repeat. The first 10 projects are just creative gym reps. They're supposed to hurt. No one is coming to save you. Here's the ugly truth film school doesn't tell you. Nobody cares about your dream until you make it real. There's no magic producer watching your TikTok at 3 a.m. There's no Netflix scout in your DMs. No one's coming to rescue you. You want to be a filmmaker? Start acting like one. Pick up a camera, any camera. Grab your friends and shoot a scene. Edit it in your bedroom and then post it. And then do it again and again and again until you stop sucking. If I were really your professor, here's your first assignment. Write a 1-page scene. Film it this weekend on your phone and then post it. Take the punches in the comments if you get any at all, and then make another one next week. That's film school. Not $80,000 in lectures, not 20-page textbooks on film theory. You learn by doing. So yeah, welcome to my class. Your homework, stop overthinking and make something today. Because if you're waiting for permission, this is it. Now go out there and shoot something. Peace.